Hi everyone, welcome to the tips and tricks series of Dimension Plus. So today I'm going to show you one trick which probably you won't be knowing as it has happened just recently. So if you are on ArchiCAD 25 and want to use the Twinmotion live link, you have to do these things which I'm going to do. So just follow me and stay tuned with the whole video and watch the whole video. So what we do is we open Epic Launcher, go to Twinmotion, and then you go down and you have a tab for direct link plugins, and you simply say download the plugins and it will open it in Chrome or whichever your default browser is. Once it's there, you go down and you will see that for ArchiCAD you have Datasmith exporter. So it will be .msi for Windows and .dmg for Mac. So it has both. So according to your OS, you can download whichever setup you want and you can simply download. This will be used for 23, 24 and 25. And also in this you can directly push this to Unreal Engine. So the raw Unreal Engine, and you can do the rendering there if you know that. Once you download that and install that, you will see something in your ArchiCAD. So now let's switch to ArchiCAD window. Here what you do is, the first step will be you go to Window, Palette and Datasmith palette. So you will have it just below and you just have to click there. Once you click there, you will have a toolbar set of these 4 buttons. You can adjust it anywhere. I have adjusted it to my preferable place. You can do it at any place you want. Now the first button is synchronize with direct link, which is normally which we do. Okay, synchronize. Second is to manage connections. Third is to directly export it to a Datasmith file. Datasmith is your Unreal Engine. And then the fourth is to show messages. Messages meaning which all elements have been exported, and currently nothing has been done. So if I check, it will be an empty window. Now we go to the Twinmotion screen because that's where we have to do one slight change in the settings. So out here what we do is we go to this import button, we click there, and then here if you see, geometry is normally when we have another file which it doesn't have a live link, your software doesn't have a live link, so you export and then import it here, and every time you keep on doing that. And the second tab is import direct link. You can see in your source the file is already selected because I have only one ArchiCAD file open. If you have multiple ArchiCAD files open, you will see options. You can choose which one you want. Then it has a settings that how you want to play with the materials. So one is collapse, keep hierarchy, collapse by material and collapse all. We know these settings. You select your preferable settings. Once that is done, you do OK. On doing that, this part is done. What we have to do is we have to go back to the ArchiCAD screen and you just have to check manage connection, and you have to see that okay, the link has been set up, and after doing that you can say that synchronize with direct link. You will see that the direct link has started. So you can see the whole model is here. Now you can continue the render however you want. And just remember, if you do any changes in the ArchiCAD file, you just let it load. If you do any changes in the ArchiCAD file, all you have to do is here you just have to press the synchronize button and it will be updated here in real-time basis. Also don't forget to save this file, also the ArchiCAD file. I hope you like this trick and you're using ArchiCAD 25 with the direct link now. Okay, so stay tuned for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.